You might know him as Tarek from Power, but his journey to stardom began long before he stepped into the shoes of the cunning James St. Patrick's son. During a recent chat with host Rosemary Miller, Rainey shared a fascinating tidbit about how it all started. Picture this: a chance encounter where someone spots potential in him, leading to a cascade of auditions and eventually landing him on our screens. It's the stuff Hollywood dreams are made of, and Rainey lived it. But what's even more intriguing is what happened behind the scenes. While Rainey was busy stealing scenes and winning hearts, his mom was quietly playing the role of financial guru. She wasn't just proud of her son's talent. She was also savvy with his earnings, ensuring that young Rainey's hard-earned cash didn't vanish into thin air. Fast forward to today, and Rainey isn't just making waves on screen. He's also making some smart investment moves. Bitcoin, Ethereum, land. He's playing the long game, folks. And while he's not shy about indulging in a little luxury, like eyeing that Porsche 911 Turbo S, he's also got his eye on the future. Enter 22PSI, Rainey's latest venture into the world of wheels. It's not just a car channel. It's a passion project, a testament to his entrepreneurial spirit. With 22PSI, Rainey's gearing up to showcase the wildest car builds from across the globe, giving petrolheads something to rev their engines about. So, what's next for Michael Rainey Jr.? Only time will tell, but if his journey so far is anything to go by, it's bound to be one heck of a ride. Who knows what surprises lie around the corner for this rising star? Now, over to you, dear viewers. What do you think of Michael Rainey Jr.'s journey? Are you impressed by his financial smarts? Or perhaps you're more excited about his upcoming car channel? Let us know in the comments below.